Starting the makeup. Today I have Anushka, and she has such a good skin, but still the cleansing, moisturizing and everything is important. So we just clear her skin with a face wash, and we just apply a very rich, thick moisturizer. And one more tip, today I'm not going to use too much makeup on her skin, just because you can see उनका skin बहुत ही fresh, and you know she has such a good skin texture. उनका skin बहुत अच्छा है and already tight है. We don't she don't have a lot of under eye problem. तो हम लोग ज़्यादा correctors या any thick चीज़ use नहीं करेंगे. There are a lot of shades, but don't be confused between shades, क्योंकि जब हम लोगों के पास बहुत सारे shades आ जाते हैं ना, तो हम लोग confused हो जाते हैं. हमेशा अपने एक signature contour shade रख लो. तो my signature is quite tan contour, or the brown orange mix tan. So here is the color. I'm using this color. That I just did only on the under eye. So this is the eye, and now we're gonna highlight the eye with a little darker shade of the brown. Here And now I'm gonna give the liner, my favorite Bobbi Brown gel liner. Guys, this liner formula is amazing. You all should try. Maybelline liners are the best, but Bobbi Brown liners are the bestest. And now tomato red mix, just to give an ombre effect. Guys, I love ombre colors just because they look so natural. Here, and I'm using this kind of concealer for the neck